Get ready. Meaning of term whoop. Correct answer is A. Get ready. Causative agent in a large proportion cases of pertussis is Correct answer is A. Get ready. Most common complication of pertussis is Correct answer is D. Get ready. Which of the following stages of pertussis is characterized by a whooping sound? Correct answer is B. Get ready. Whooping cough is most contagious in the Correct answer is B. Get ready. Pertussis is primarily spread via Correct answer is B. Get ready. Common signs and symptoms of pertussis in a 3-year-old child include all of the following except Correct answer is D. Get ready. Pertussis vaccine contraindicated in Correct answer is A. Get ready. Booster dose of pertussis vaccine given at Correct answer is B.